Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to solve some important and frequently asked physics questions. These are the kinds of problems that help build a strong conceptual understanding and are very useful for exams. We'll analyze each question step by step and explain the correct answer clearly and simply. So, if you want to improve your physics problem-solving skills, stay with us until the end. The Coulomb force between two stationary point charges in a vacuum is equal to F when they are separated by a certain distance. If both charges are changed to 3 times their original values, while the distance between them remains the same, what will the new Coulomb force become? To solve this problem, we use Coulomb's law. At the beginning, the electrostatic force between the two charges is given by Genui math _block _widget _always_prefetch _v2. Content, F equals K, frac, Q _1 Q _2 RA. Here, K is Coulomb's constant, Q and Q are the magnitudes of the two charges, and R is the distance between them. Now, according to the question, both charges are increased to 3 times their original values, while the distance remains unchanged. And that's the solution. By applying Coulomb's law, we found that when both charges are tripled while the distance remains constant, the electrostatic force becomes 9 times greater than the original force. The correct answer is option A, 9F. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more physics problem-solving practice. See you in the next lesson.